Looking for a reliable vacuum pump without breaking your budget? Meet the refurbished Pfeiffer Vacuum DUO 5M from Galileo Scientific. This high-performance, two-stage rotary vane pump delivers powerful results with a pumping speed of 6 cubic meters an hour. That's about 3.5 CFM. It reaches an impressive ultimate vacuum of 2 times 10 to the -3 millibar, ideal for demanding lab applications like mass spectrometry. Compact and corrosion-resistant, the DUO 5M is built to last. Its magnetic coupling design means lower maintenance and less downtime, plus it runs quietly at under 57 decibels. Perfect for keeping your lab environment peaceful. The pump comes fully serviced by our Galileo Scientific specialists, including a brand new oil mist separator filter and fresh vacuum oil. It's been thoroughly reviewed, reconditioned and tested to ensure it performs like new. With a compact footprint, 220-volt power and included user manual, the DUO 5M is ready to integrate seamlessly into your laboratory setup. High performance, expert servicing and great value. Discover the difference with Galileo Scientific.